I will leave an item list in the description and the lock splices I use for the build. You need to put a Brummel lock splice on one side, then you will do a Brummel lock splice on the other. The full length of the bungee, so if it's 16 inches, it can be retracted to 8 and the bungee will not break when it stretches out. Once you pull the bungee back through the cord using the stainless steel wire, tie a knot in it and then put your stitches in that side. Then maybe pull it and hold one of the bungees and then stretch it to see if it's going to stretch to 16 before you sew the other side. Once it's sewed on both sides, you can cut the remaining part of the bungee and hide it inside.